Have you ever noticed how hard it is to open a brand new iPhone? You literally have to shake the box to get the phone out. This isn't an accident. Apple designed it this way. It's called the 3-second rule. To achieve this perfect delay, Apple engineers use a concept called friction design. Former head designer Jony Ive based this on a philosophy called impute. The idea that the packaging tells your brain how good the product inside is. They manufacture the corners with a gap of just 0.01 millimeters, creating a micro vacuum seal. That 3-second delay builds unbearable anticipation, flooding your brain with a massive dopamine spike when it finally opens. Before you even touch the phone, you value it higher. In psychology, this is the endowment effect, and it makes Apple billions.